welcome to your wonderful Wednesday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. In this shave, I am using my Parkii. This is the best silver steel. That is Japanese made Swedish steel. It is a quarter hollow, just really a fine razor. And a good shaver, yep. And for my soap tonight, we're using Praying Mantis. Now this has got a hint of menthol in it. So we're gonna do a little more menthol tonight. And this is just marvelous, really quite good. And I have had that blooming like normal. And we're gonna get that on as a bit of a pre-shave. Yep, that's it. Just get that worked in to those whiskers. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Quite good. Now, get those hands dried off a little bit. For my brush tonight, here we go. We're going with the King brush. Oh yeah. This is the Adventures in Wet Shaving King brush. That is a 24mm premium bore knot, and it is fantastic. We're going to just go ahead and get that loaded up. Yeah. So hopefully you had a good 4th of July weekend, being able to be with family and friends. Get out and do something. We had a blast here. Yeah. We went hiking. Yeah. We hit at least 3 major trails in the area, and it was a blast. So my girls and I went out. We went hiking. Just had a fantastic time. So I hope you had a really fantastic time as well. And again, welcome to the midweek shave, the wonderful Wednesday shave of the day, hump day. Yep, and today we are just that much closer to the next weekend. Weekend's right around the corner, and I'm looking forward to that. And this soap is done already. Now, hopefully you are in high spirits, the world's treating you good, and you're getting some good shaves. Yeah, hopefully. Yep. So we're going to get most of that on the brush. We'll just go ahead and work in the rest of that real quick. Just like that. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, so let me know. What did you do for the last weekend? Yeah. That'd be great. And we can find out. Oh yeah. Yeah, we did 3 major trails, and like I say, it was just a blast. Really was. There we go. Nice. That is looking good. Let's go ahead and get that kicked up. Yeah, here the weather wasn't too bad. It was a little warm, but warm and humid, but it was fine outside in the shade. So when we were out hiking, it was fine. And we had, like I say, it was just a good day. Really was. Got to see, like I say, 3 different trails. Yeah, nice. Oh, that is so good. Mmm. Yeah, and this does have some menthol in it. I'm enjoying that. Now, is it hot where you are? Yeah, is it hot or you're doing okay and getting some good weather? All right. Let me know in the comments. Now, this is pass one, and for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. Very nice. Yeah. Felt good. Getting those whiskers off. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Yeah, it looks like I may have hit a couple of little spots there. Yeah. Been a long day. But that's all right. It'll be fine. No worries. All right. Get that razor rinsed off. We're going to switch hands. We're going to get this other side now. And before I'm doing that, here I am getting ahead of myself. Sure enough, let's go ahead and finish off this side. Yeah, looks like I got there, a little something there, maybe even under there. There we go. Well, put some soap in it, on it, it'll be fine. And we're going to revisit it anyway, so it'll be okay. There we go. Nice. All right. Getting there. There you go. Pass one complete. Now, let's get that rinsed off, see how we did. May need to hit up something on these little spots. Let's go ahead and try alum. Now this is astringent and antiseptic, really great. Let's see if that doesn't fix that up. There you go. All right. Now, time for the half pass. Yep. And for me, that is going to be my jawline, my neck. And that's all I'm going to need to do because everything else is fine. Yep. So let's just go ahead and get lathered up. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, always good to make get a good lather going because that will help with a good shave. Yeah, it will. All right. And I think we are there. Now, go ahead, get that razor dried off just a little bit more. Now, reaching down, grabbing my jaw. That way I can stretch further down my neck. Nice. Very good. Now we're switching hands to grab that ear again to stretch. Now remember, you don't want to overstretch though. We're looking at just trying to flatten out that skin. That's it. And that will give you a good shave. Here we go. Another shave in the books. Oh yeah. Yep. Now, get that rinsed off. See how we did. nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, the neck is brilliant. Cheeks are good. Definitely. Another good shave right there. Even though I hit a couple of little bumps. But at this point, even that doesn't look too bad. So we're good. All right. Now, we are still going to go Aloe all over, because it is my practice. And like I say, this is astringent antiseptic, so it's really good if you hit a bump or two. And it helps to tighten the skin, close off those pores. Very nice. There we go. And what I will do is just dry that off just by patting it dry. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with the cold water rinse. And by the way, this was a cold water shave. Now, if you go with cold water rinse, still follow that with witch hazel. In my case, I'm going with the Thayers, and this is the lemon witch hazel. This stuff is fantastic. And I think this will complement like the lemongrass scent in that soap quite nicely. Oh, yeah, very good. Very, very good. And I put that everywhere. I do. Now, for my cologne thing, here we go. Florida water. This stuff is fantastic. It really is. And it is just amazing how good this is. You can just have summer in a bottle. That is great. Oh, nice, 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 nice. And we're going to finish this shave off with Nivea Cooling Post-Shave Balm. This stuff is excellent. Helps repair the skin, and it will be good for you. Yep. Get that on. Oh, nice. And I'm just going to put that everywhere as well. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see how to start straight razor shaving the series. Have a great shave and a good day. And I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.